Hello, my name is Anna Smith, and this year's project will be focused on improving my company's recruiting process. I joined National Seating and Mobility August of 2021 as an HR intern. After a month of just sourcing and recruiting, I officially applied to be a recruiter when I saw that there was an open position. After a few months, they officially promoted me to full-time recruiter, and I joined the team to help overall improve our recruiting process. National Seating and Mobility has been around for more than 25 years, and we are focused on creating customized mobility and accessibility solutions for our clients. This can mean everywhere from customizing a power wheelchair, improving independence and accessibility within a client's home, to even just servicing the equipment that they already have. It is a great company to be a part of, but as the times are changing, we are looking to improve our recruiting process. So why the need for a change? With the pandemic, the entire focus of how candidates search for a position has changed. It is no longer what can you bring to the company, it is all about what can the company bring to you. The power has shifted from companies to now it is the candidates who hold the power. So with this in mind, we have had to revamp and redo our recruiting process to attract more candidates, streamline this process so that it goes by much quicker and much more seamlessly, as well as just making it so that we attract talent in a brand new way. We have already made changes as a recruiting team as a whole, but this project is going to be focused on not only the changes we've made, but also just any other future changes we can make. I will be focusing on our process. I will be looking at the bottlenecks that are in our process, as well as coming up with other various solutions. My team currently already has solutions that they are working on in place, and I will be mentioning those. But this project is to focus on not only what are we going to do, but what can we do. So I'm looking over, as I mentioned, the overall recruiting process as well as bottlenecks, but I'm also looking to quantify some of those things, looking to see what is the average time that it takes for a candidate to apply. I'm going to be looking into how long does it usually take? Is there a reason that a requisition or a job is posted for several months, and where are the issues coming from there? We're also changing the way that we verbally say things. This can mean how we ask questions to candidates, the verbiage in our job postings, as well as the verbiage that our hiring managers use during an interview. All of these things can impact how a candidate views our company. As I mentioned earlier, we are in a time where it is no longer about what can you do for the company, it's what can the company do for you. We've already started mentioning our benefits more, we started mentioning the PTO and all of the things that we can do for our employees while we are looking for candidates. We are also looking into new ways to search for candidates, whether it is outsourcing to another company to help find talent, using Indeed more efficiently and LinkedIn more efficiently, doing career fairs in various locations, as well as the possibility of reaching out to technical colleges, since the majority of our recruiting is focused on technicians and customer service representatives. So this project is focusing on all the ways that we can improve this process, and as well as seeing, is there anything that we are already doing correctly, and is there anything that we should be doing differently? I look forward to you all's feedback, and I would love any suggestions on how to improve what we already have, and I look forward to sharing what we do here at NSM.